Hey everybody, I'm Jack Roberts. Welcome to Nashville, Tennessee, TMC's annual meeting, and the news of the show was the launch of a new Volvo truck, second year in a row. I'm sure you heard they launched the VNL last year. Well, this year, it's the VNR. It's all new, it's pretty exciting, it's jam-packed with features. I've got Bobby Compton here. He's Volvo Product Marketing Manager for Regional Haul. He's gonna walk us around the truck, tell us what we need to know about this new machine.
Exciting times.
So Bobby, I see right off, very strong family resemblance with the new VNL. Robust, broad-shouldered, tough-looking truck. Exudes American attitude, but this truck is more than just about good looks, right?
Yeah, absolutely, Jack. So this truck is the sister truck of the VNL, which is behind us. This is designed for our regional haul customers. And the regional haul customers are much different than the long haul customers. When you think of a regional haul customer, you think of someone who's in work areas, that's constantly getting in and out of the truck. Unlike a long haul driver gets in the truck and drives for 300, 400, 500, 600 miles. Regional haul driver in that same amount of time can climb in and out multiple times. So we purposely built this truck for that work type of environment. It's a 113-inch bumper to back of cab, 17% better forward visibility than the predecessor VNR. And that's all because of the very aggressive hood slope we have here, which creates a great aerodynamic effect as well. When I talk about the aerodynamic effect, that leads into the up to 7.5% fuel efficiency. And with the all-new VNL, we offer something great for our regional haul customers because they are in those work-type applications. The all-new metal bumper. Again, for that more robust style that our regional haul customers are looking for. We offer it in two packages. This is our core trim level, and a edge trim level. The edge trim level is a little bit more of a, for those customers who really want that image, right? So the bumper goes from this black metal to a aluminum clad, really shiny chrome. Really giving the customer that image, the look that they want. The truck has a 113-inch bumper to back of cab with cornered bumper and headlights, making the maneuverability so much more extreme than the VNL.
It's very, very sharp. You know, a lot of people don't realize, but we're to the point these days where aerodynamics and fuel efficiency are important even for regional haul guys in the city, right?
Yeah.
The headlights are pretty cool too.
They are, yeah. The signature hockey stick headlights. Yeah, and we offer this truck not just in a day cab, but in our 440, which is perfect for those potential overnight stays when the driver maybe leaves with hours of service being in question. And also, we talk about aerodynamics. We also offer this in our 640 and 660 for those longer type hauls where the driver still ends up in those very tight maneuvering spaces where he needs the ability to maneuver or the extra visibility, 17% better visibility on this VNR. The interior comes with a few different packages as well. Our trim levels first with a core and our edge, with also 2 amenity packages and 2 technology packages. Now, because that is tailored really for our regional haul customer. But Jack, the one thing we did not change is our safety packages. The safety and connectivity packages are offered the same for the VNL and the VNR because core value, right? Core value of Volvo is safety. We believe in protecting the driver and protecting those around the driver. So we have 3 different packages for safety. We have our Volvo Active Driver, what we know as Beta, Beta Plus, which then brings in lane keep assist. Lane keep assist, great for those drivers that may be in the city and somehow get a little bit distracted because a lot of pedestrians walking by, and the lane keep assist as they start shifting one way will give you a gentle nudge back over into your lane, really making you pay attention. We've also introduced a 24-volt electrical architecture on the VNL and in the VNR, which has allowed for a lot of improvements. Specifically, speaking of the Volvo dynamic steering here, and our beta systems is now all proprietary. We've been able to bring over new for the US, but not new for Volvo. We've been using this beta technology, Volvo Active Driver technology, for years, and using it here. It means the truck and the driver has better interaction together. Our system of old, we had drivers that weren't as comfortable. With our new system, it actually communicates a little more seamlessly with the driver, still doing what it needs to do to protect the driver, to protect the people around the driver, because zero accidents will always be the vision.
Let's talk a little bit about the 24-volt electrical system. You guys are the first to bring it in North America. It's a harbinger of things to come, I think. Why did Volvo make the decision to go to 24 volts, and what does a fleet manager need to know about why 24 volt is becoming important?
So from a fleet manager perspective, the first thing to understand about higher voltage means lower amperage. Lower amperage means smaller gauge wires. Lower amperage also means a lesser of a jolt to your electrical systems, whether that be your compressors, whether that be anything under the hood that is 24 volt. You have a lesser hard turn on, which means you're going to get a longer life cycle out of those electrical systems. It also means for faster diagnostics, because our main chassis harness has been able to be broken down into 3 pieces. So now you can troubleshoot 1/3, the second third, or the last of it, really focusing in on where the problem may be for those service managers, making diagnostics much faster.
You know, as early as 10 years ago, you would get a truck and you might have, electrically, you might have a lighting system, you might have an audio system, you might have a high-vac system. And that was about it. These trucks today are jam-packed with computers, electronic systems, and so I'm guessing, and you're going to tell me if I'm incorrect here, but an efficient, hard-working electrical system is absolutely vital today, correct?
Absolutely. And if you go back to the first cell phone versus the cell phone today, if you go back to older trucks, which we see some around the exhibit hall here, to the new modern age trucks, technology is important. It's important because of the updates that comes with that technology, new safety systems, new over-the-air updates. Trucks today are like your cell phone, right? They need to be updated. So we're also introducing the customer called updates, which is another phenomenal feature from Volvo.